guys, welcome to another video. So we're in Beeswax Simulator and I'm going to show my friend that I'm recording. So guys, today we're playing Beeswax Simulator with my friend. He's better than me. He has more hive slots because he's a pro. But he has a better backpack. He's a pro. And I'm pro too. I'm gonna tell him what's
I'm pretty much a noob. Right there. Wait, did you tell him that you were recording?
Mm-hmm.
Is he embarrassed like my other friend did?
No.
Well, it was sad.
Yeah, that's right.
Why do you keep screaming at him?
So guys, today we're gonna go to we're gonna try and get the so we're gonna go on testing server.
Guys, they can't even see your head. Having sort of word.
Let's go to test server. This is how you okay, so here's test. There you go. It's loading. Guys, Max. I'm just eating pizza today. Yummy pizza. Now here, clear up. Down here. On here. So guys, today we have to restart the game and test. It shows us from the update. So here's the update. There's a new tomato field and coconut field. So today, we're going to check out the acid. And get and fight it.
Where are you gonna put your
Is
plate in there?
a star jelly now.
Anna!
There's a star jelly in there now. Gem Puppy over here. So today, Gogo will be playing with my friend. Not letting him be behind so he don't be sick. So he doesn't be sad. So let's move on to the video. So you guys know I'm still a noob at testing. But at real game, I'm pro. So let's go for this video. So I'm gonna be getting some stuff and getting legendaries. That guy. So let's go to the video. So here's the step. The first step. So you collect the link. Well, here's the very first step. You get your hive from here. Go here.
We don't eat the paper, huh? We don't.
So guys, so today, yeah, the Kirby while we are playing, and then RJ and Puppy leave. No, he did not. Good. So let's look for him. So let's tell we're on. My screen right here. Then move it right there. I'm gonna say, where are you? Where are you? My inventory is full. It's my bare bones. Now I'm going to. So I'm still noob at this game. No, I'm a pro at real, but noob at test. So I need to grind. Okay? And I did sour royal jelly. Just right there. I thought it was a star jelly, but it was not. My hand. Oh, that had it. Oh, I can't use that.
And does you want more?
Yeah. Ugh. Ugh. So guys, I can only do this video 5 more minutes, so I'm gonna end the video. And the So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more if you want to see more videos. So tomorrow I'm going to do another one of Beastorm Simulator with my friend RJ and Poppy. So, peace out!